and Denzel was talking earlier, and I was sharing a story that I heard recently, and just some of the learning points that I took from the story. Two nephews, and they was asked by the pharaoh to build a pyramid. Now, not sure how long they had to build this pyramid or what exactly they was told. But what was really interesting that stood out to me was the first nephew, who was working on the pyramid, decided to go straight for it. Not doing anything else, but just straight for digging the foundations. Taking a period of time over the 1 year, he looked over and noticed that the second cousin hadn't even started doing the foundations for the pyramid. Anyway, he carried on. Second year, he'd done the first layer. This is all by himself. The rocks, building the first level of the pyramid. He looked over, he noticed that the second nephew hadn't even started. He's thinking, surely by now he should have started. I'm way ahead. I'm so likely to build the pyramid before the second cousin and get that place, in the leadership, get that place where I have that when I pass, I have, my grave under the pyramids, which was a great privilege at the time. Anyhow, years had passed, 3, 4, 5, I believe, and he heard a big noise, big crowd coming from the town. So he went down there and he saw this nephew with machinery, big huge machine that's equipped to be able to put stones, rocks together to be able to build pyramids, tools to be able to build pyramids. In that moment, what really jumped out to me was, wow, how often do we just go straight for it and going, I'm going to do it all on my own. I haven't got time to sharpen the saw. I haven't got time to be thinking about building a team. I haven't got time to be thinking about the tools that I need, or even going to create or build tools that would make the job a lot easier. Anyhow, the second cousin with that machine was able to do in a few years what the first nephew was taking many years. I think the story ended that the first nephew never got to complete the pyramid. He died before it was even done. The second nephew was able to complete it in just a short few years, got that place with the leadership, with the throne, and obviously he's then buried in a beautiful, the place of whatever happens with that. But what really stood out to me, learning points, don't try to do it all on your own. It's gonna take in the initial stages, it will seem like you're going much further, but with time, the person who equips himself with the training, with the knowledge, the person who goes out and builds a team of all areas that is needed to build the pyramid, to build the empire, gets the tools, will succeed and pass whatever is needed to be done. So thinking about your own business right now, or your own life, if you're starting or you're finding it struggling, build the team. Look at what tools, resources that you need. Be resourceful. Don't try to do it all on your own. Take some time.